Hi, great to see you here. Before we start, if you want to see my live trades, daily analysis, and trading tips, make sure to join my Telegram channel. Over 70,000 traders are already there. The link is in the description. If this is your first time, my name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader with over 6 years of experience. Today we're going for a full real-time trading session. We will stick to a proven strategy, use simple tools, and trade openly with real deals and real analysis. And remember, the goal of this series isn't to show you a magic button, but to teach you how a professional sees the market. So everything is set and ready. We're working with a 30-second time frame and 30-second trade durations. This allows us to react quickly to market signals. Indicators on the chart, RSI and Stochastic Oscillator. Sets for trading Australian dollar, United States dollar, Australian dollar franc, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Let's start by looking for the first signal. We see, looking at the Australian dollar and the US dollar chart, RSI is entering overbought territory. Stochastic is also bending downward, lines converging. This may signal an upcoming reversal. I'm not entering yet. I want the confirmation candle first, and here it is. The first red candle after a long upward move. That's a solid reason to enter. So we are entering a down trade. Why this moment? RSI shows the asset is overbought. Stochastic signals a potential correction. A confirmation candle closed bearish. During this trade, it's key not to panic if the price moves. And on this time frame, slight movements are normal. Stick to the strategy and avoid interfering. Trade closes in profit. Great stop moving on. This is how systematic approach works, guys. It's all about patience and clear signals. So our second trade is Australian dollar and franc. Switching to this pair, Stochastic just came out of the oversold zone and crosses upward. RSI is moving towards the 50 level, possible bullish momentum starting, and I'm waiting to see what the next candle does, because that's very interesting. Entering up trade. Why now? Stochastic is turning upward. RSI confirms increasing buyer strength. The bullish candle adds confirmation. Even in sideways market, short moves can be profitable. The key is sticking to clear signals. And trade closes in profit. Second winning trade in a row. Let's keep going. Patience is part of the strategy. The market always rewards those who wait for the right moment. The third trade is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Now, price is consolidating in a tight range. RSI is slowly rising. Stochastic crosses upward near the oversold zone. Watching the candles for confirmation. A solid bullish candle just appeared, entering an up trade. Why now? Stochastic moving up out of the oversold. RSI shows upward potential. Turning bullish candle confirms the entry. And even small moves count when you stick to the plan. Trade closes in profit. We're in a good pace moving forward. While you wait for a perfect moment, others are already making profits by reading market signals. All full trade Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Switching to this pair, the price is slightly climbed but started moving sideways in a tight range. RSI sits near the middle. Stochastic is flat. Not rushing, waiting for a clear sign. Candle with a long upper wick forms and Stochastic start to bend down, entering a down trade. Why this moment? When the market stalls and buyers show weakness, it's a good time to catch a short move downward. It's not just about the indicators. Sometimes it's about reading the price behavior itself, and trade closes in profit. Great reminder that attention to detail matters even in calm markets. Every trade is a decision and it's not always obvious. The key is being honest with yourself. So our fifth trade, Australian dollar, United States dollar. Let's go back to this pair. Stochastic is high, RSI is also elevated. The price touches a resistance zone and starts to slow down. Honestly, it's not the cleanest setup, but I would go for a quick shot. Entering a down trade. Why take the risk? The price clearly lost momentum. Indicators hint and overbought conditions. And yes, this time human factor played a role. I wanted to see how the market reacts. The market didn't agree this time. Trade closes in loss. It happens. This moment remind you even experienced traders shouldn't ignore their own rules. Loss is a part of the game. What matters is not letting them throw you off the track. So Australian dollar and Swiss franc. After a recent pullback, the price is picking up momentum. Stochastic moves up confidently, every side crosses above the middle line. A strong bullish candle appears, entering an up trade. Why this entry? Not just indicators, the logic of price movement matters. An impulse after pullback often offers a solid entry point. Trade closes. Profit. Perfect reaction after a clean setup. Mistakes happen, guys. And, systematic approach helps you recover quickly. Okay, 7th trade, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Final trade of the session is a steady uptrend. Every size climbing, stochastic remains in a bullish zone, waiting for a clear entry signal. A strong green candle on the pullback appears, entering an up trade. Why now? Sometimes following the trend is smarter than trying to catch a reversal, especially when the chart clearly confirms it. A trend can last longer than you think. Our job is to take our part while opportunity is there. Trade closes, profit. A perfect way to finish the session. So results come not from perfect trades, but from consistently following a strategy. Today we placed 7 trades, 6 of them closed in profit and 1 ended in loss. This is a perfect example of how much discipline, a systematic approach, and emotional control deliver results in real conditions. We didn't try to predict market moves or chase perfect entries, we just followed our strategy. And if you've learned something valuable from this session, remember, consistent results come not from luck, but from repeating the right actions day after day. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see my live trades and daily analysis, join my Telegram channel. It already has over 70,000 traders. The link is in the description. Thank you for trading with me, guys. See you in the next episode.